warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you are all in a good condition. I am Aprisya Handani from English Education Department Win Sayyid Ali Rahmatullah Tulungagung. And today we talk about cause and effect sentence. So let's get started. Before we start our lesson today, I would like to explain about the learning objectives or the aims. For the first is to know the definition of cause and effect sentence. And the second is to differentiate the characteristic of cause and effect sentences. And the third is to identify linking words in a complex sentences of cause and effect. And the fourth is to find out the formula of cause and effect sentence. And the next is to find out the cause and effect sentences in conversational dialogue. And the last is to understand the use of linking words through multiple choice and to find out the relationship of cause and effect through matching question. Alright, first up we need to know the definition of cause and effect sentence. Do you know what is cause and effect sentence? Yeah, you are truly right. Cause and effect sentence is a sentence that describes the reason why an event happens and what are the consequences. And here is the characteristic of cause and effect sentence. For the first, cause is a reason or cause for something to happen. Meanwhile, effect is a result or result of an action. In cause, to answer the question why something happened. Meanwhile, in effect, to answer the question what happened as a result. For example, I got a great score on my English test because I understand the material very well. I got a great score on my English test. Here is the effect. And the cause is because I understand the material very well. And here are examples of linking word to show a cause. For the first is conjunction. Conjunction is useful for connecting two independent clauses into one sentence. In here, we can use as, since, or because. For example, I didn't have any lunch because Fahreza stole my food. I didn't have any lunch here show about the independent because here show about the conjunction, and Fahreza stole my food here also show about the independent. On the other hand, prepositions are useful for starting non-phrase that show cause. In here, we can use due to, thanks to, because of, and owing to. For example, due to show cancellation, we have to cancel our trip to Surabaya. Due to here show about the preposition, show cancellation here show about the non-phrase or cause. We have to cancel our trip to Surabaya here show about the effect. Meanwhile, here are examples of linking words to show an effect. For the first is conjunction. As I explained before, conjunction is used to connect two independent clauses. In this conjunction, we can use so. On the other hand, transition is used to maintain continuity into sentences separated by a period. In this transition, we can use so, then, hence, finally, therefore, as a result, consequently, and for this reason. For example, I just got my month paycheck, therefore I could buy a new pair of shoes. I just got my month paycheck here show about the cause, therefore here show about the transition, and the effect is I could buy a new pair of shoes. And here is the formula of cause and effect sentence. For the first example is I got fever because I got cough in the rain yesterday. I got fever here show about the effect because here show about the conjunction, and the cause is I got cough in the rain yesterday. And the second example is my dad had extra work to do in the office, so he got home late. My dad had extra work to do in the office here show about the cause, so here show about the conjunction, and the effect is he got home late. And the third example is I couldn't wake up early this morning because of going to bed late. I couldn't wake up early this morning show about the effect, because of show about the preposition, and the noun phrase here is going to bed late. And the next example is Due to the regulation to wear a mask in public place, we should remember to always bring one. Due to here show about the preposition, the regulation to wear mask in public place here show about the noun phrase, and the effect is we should remember to always bring one. And the last example is I didn't bring any money to the grocery store, therefore I couldn't buy anything there. I didn't bring any money to the grocery store here show about the cause, therefore here show about the transition, and the effect is I couldn't buy anything there. Alright, and the next is dialogue conversation about cause and effect. Hi Justin, what are you doing? Hi Natasha, I just listened to a podcast about global warming. That's interesting. What did you learn from the podcast? What I learned is that global warming is getting worse because of the increasing consumption of the society. Okay, in this case, we can find out the cause and effect. The global warming is getting worse here show about the effect, and because of the increasing consumption of the society here show about the cause. Alright, and the next is multiple choice question. Read this question carefully and choose the correct answer. For the first question is, I'm staying at home, blah blah blah, it is raining. What is the correct answer? Yes, you are right, and the answer is C, because. And the second question, the flight is postponed, blah blah blah, the weather is bad. What is the correct answer? Yes, you are right, and the answer is B, cinch. And the third question is, the kid fell to the ground, blah blah blah, he was being careless. What is the correct answer? Yes, you are right, and the answer is A, cinch. And the next question is, I went very slow, blah blah blah, the traffic. What is the correct answer? Yes, you are right, and the answer is A, because of. And the last question is, I felt dizzy at school, blah blah blah. I went home and had some rest. What is the correct answer? Yes, you are right, and the answer is B, therefore. Okay, and the next is matching question. Match the words in the left column with the word in the right one so that they show a relationship. And the last question, or question number 5, is done for you. For example, a vitaminosis is caused by lack of vitamin. That's all for today. I hope you guys can enjoy this learning. Thank you for watching this video. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.